The next one is called Hollywood. Yes, Hollywood, sweetie. We are all Hollywood celebrities. Look at this one. It's a pretty nice color so far. So looks like a lavender, maybe metallic lavender. Can you guys see that one? Not really. Okay, yeah, that one's pretty nice. Okay, so these eyeliners are all pretty thin. I'm gonna just go ahead and give that review to all of them because I have one more. And they're just pretty thin. They're nice. The colors look good. They're just really thin, so you have to like go over it a few times. That's pretty nice, right? You guys like that color? No? I have a lipstick that matches, so I'm pretty excited to do something. I'm actually gonna start a new series called Monochromatic, basically using one color for an entire look, whether it's red, green, purple, one color family for the entire thing. So I'm pretty excited to do that because I have a lipstick to match, so that's probably gonna be my first one. Okay, so this next one is called Spotlight, and it's a white. I'm really trying to get into like a white eyeliner-ish because I know NYX has one, but it's like $7, and I'm like, who has the money to buy that? $7 for a single eyeliner? I'm sorry, I just can't do it. I can't. So look at this one. This one is, can you see that? Yeah, it's kind of white. Ew, look at this brush. See, what's that? What's that all about? Again, $0. So of course you're gonna have some defects. What do you expect from, you know, dollar products? Not to say it's not nice. Let's see. Let's find out. This one's kind of clumpy though. This one is very clumpy. And this is, yeah, no, I'm not liking this one at all. It is very clumpy. And it's very, 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 very thin. More than the other ones. Like, what's this? What's that? No, we don't like this. No, not that one. Nope, sorry. That one's, okay, now my arm's getting all weird. That one's not gonna do it for me. Nope, not that one. All right, so let's keep moving on. The next is a diamond lip gloss. This one is called Glitz. Glitz, honey, yes. Look at this. This is, oh, I wish you guys can like see it, like the brightness is too bad. So this is like a glitter lip gloss. I've been dying to do something like that, but you guys see that? Let's switch hands. Ooh. Okay, so this is like, I can make this work. This is like a peach. That's what they should have called this. They should have called it peachy. It says peach for those who are your fans. Oh, I forgot to do one. Okay, we're gonna go back to that. Anyways, you guys can you see that? No? Yeah, that's as close as we gonna get right there. Yeah, this one's pretty thin too. I think for this one, you would have to go over it with a lip, like a sorry, I really have to sneeze. A nude lip, because this one, unless you do like a bunch of layers, that one can't stand on its own. Alright, so now we getting into like the hallucinogenic, halogenic. I think it's pronounced halogenic. Anyway, it's a lip gloss. It's the Diamond Lips again, and this is like the iridescent one. The color's really nice, but this color is called Bubblegum. Yes, and it does look like bubblegum. Oh, well. Mark is gonna die. So, ooh. I think this is gonna be nice. Hold on, let's see. You guys see that? It's pretty nice, right? Yeah. Okay. I forgot that I had one more. One more of the AOA eyeliners. This one is called Paparazzi. Biggest fan. I'll follow you into Paparazzi. For my Lady Gaga fans. I used to be the biggest Lady Gaga fan. Bad Romance? Oh yeah. That's all me. Okay. Side note. This is right here. I can work with that one. This is like a more deeper rose gold. Yes. So now I think I'm almost done with my eyeliners. I have this one right here. This is, it doesn't say who it's by, but I'll let you take a look at that. But it's an olive green. Yep. This one is kind of clumpy though. I ain't gonna lie. Probably won't use this one too much. It's very dry. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but no, I don't like this one. Can you see it? I'm sorry, you guys. Yeah, I'm not really liking that one. And then last, I think I have 3 more things. So this is like a basic eyeliner. This is by LA Girl. It's just a basic black. It's retractable. I want something easier for the eyes. Because the one I'm using, the basic one, like the eyeliner pencil, it's really hard to get anything onto my skin, but with the Urban Decay one, it's too hard to take off. So I need something in the middle, because I could wash my face at night and then in the morning the next day, and I still have, like, you see how my eyes kind of look dark? This is from like eyeliner from like 2 days ago, and I washed my face already and it's still there. So yeah. And then that was the black one. So then I have the white one too. You guys look at that one. You know, just a little basic white thing right here. And this is for like the underlash line again. Like sometimes, like I see a lot of girls, they make their eyes pop or they make their eyes look bigger by having white underlash lines as opposed to black or, you know, some other color. And then lastly, I got this big jumbo eyeliner pencil. But this again is by the LA Girl, and this would be used for like my cut creases. I see a lot of girls. So I figured out what was going on with my cut creases. I'm using the wrong color. So with my cut crease, the foundation that I use a skin tone like a brown, but that brown kind of mixes with other colors, so I don't get the full strength of the color that I want. So what I decided to do is to go in with white and see how that works. I haven't done it yet because this is a pencil, but I also have the cream foundation as well. I want to see which one I like better. Do I want to next on the dry side like the pencil or the cream? I think I don't even know. Is this a cream? Oh yeah, this is a cream. This is like a grease paint, so this will be fine too. If I should use this or do I like the concealer better? So we'll see. Overall, everything was pretty nice. Like, I'm very satisfied with everything that I got from my order, especially like this highlighter. Like, you guys, check it out. Like, seriously. Again, everything is $1. They have blushes, they have lipsticks, they have eyeliners, brushes, contour things, eyelashes. I wouldn't trust their eyelashes though. But yeah, they have everything there. You guys should really check it out. Again, that place is MA.com, and tell them I sent you. That way I can get a discount next time I go there. But yes, some of their stuff, it doesn't have a name. It goes by color or it goes by number. So be very wary of that. So I'm trying to go back to see what the name of that purple was, and if I ordered two. Okay, yeah. So yeah, so they did mix up my some of my brushes. I did not order two of these things. I don't even think I ordered one. I didn't order them. They mixed this one up with the highlighter brush I was supposed to get. So, you know, it happens. We all make mistakes. So yes, I hope you ladies really like this video. Again, go ahead and check out that website. Also check out the other beauty hauls that I have on my YouTube channel as well. I have one from Ulta, and then I have an unboxing from one of my fans. So yes, we have some exciting stuff coming up, and yes, thanks for following with me, you guys. I really hope you like this video, and again, go ahead and check out that website. Let me know what you guys think about their products if you've shopped there before. If you haven't, try it out, refer a friend. Let me know what you guys think about the company in the drop box, in the description. It's been a long day. Anyways, yes, catch you ladies in the next one. Bye.